So this video is about Kaveri issue, okay? Because when I was a kid, I heard about Kaveri issue and still now it's continuing. I have a doubt what is this issue all about. So I want to break it down in this video, and also all our videos are about scientific things, right? So instead of just stating the problem, I wanted to give a scientific approach to this issue. What will be a scientific solution to this issue also. So first, let's split this video into three parts. First part will be about what is the background of this issue. Second, what is the problem. Finally, we'll talk about the solution to this issue. Now let's go to the background of this problem. The river Kaveri. The river Kaveri originates in the Coorg mountains, which is in Karnataka, and it flows through Karnataka, then it reaches Tamil Nadu, then it flows through Tamil Nadu and it reaches the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so that is the entire river. Actually, this river actually cuts through almost 12 districts, and all these 12 district people depend on this river for their water source. Especially when you take Bangalore in Karnataka, the Bangalore city's water mainly comes from Kaveri river. And when you take delta regions like Tanjavur, their agriculture land depends on the Kaveri river. So they all are sensitive about this river. When the rainfall is good in a year, there is no problem because both the state people will get their water, so there is no issue. But when the rainfall is less, that's when the problem comes in. Now coming to the problem, when there is a lesser rainfall in a year, the people starts to fight because Tamil Nadu people want their needs to be met, Karnataka people want their water needs to be met. So in 2007, the Supreme Court intervened, okay, and the Supreme Court estimated how much water is being average transported in the Kaveri river. So the Kaveri river in a year, it produces around almost 750 TMC. This is the average number, okay. So 750 TMC is the total volume of water that passes through the Kaveri river. Next, the Supreme Court did a research on what is the water requirement for each state. After estimating for multiple years, the Supreme Court finally came to this conclusion. So in the 750 TMC, the total volume of water, Tamil Nadu should get 404 TMC because that is their requirement, and Karnataka's requirement was 284 TMC. Kerala should get 30 TMC and Pondicherry should get 7 TMC. So this is the split up the Supreme Court ordered in the 2007's case. And the governments accepted it because this is the actual requirement of each state, okay. So and there is no problem in that. And when we have a good rainfall, when we have 750 TMC of water in the Kaveri river or more than that, there is no problem at all. That's why we don't see the Kaveri issue each year, because some years when there is a rainfall, good rainfall, people don't fight at all. Everyone's need is met, and Karnataka get 284, they are okay, and when Tamil Nadu get 404, they are okay. There is no issue. But when in a year the rainfall is less and the Kaveri river produces lesser TMC than the 750, then the issue starts, because Tamil Nadu people still wants their 404 TMC. Karnataka still wants their 284 TMC. But let's say that particular year Kaveri river produces only 500 TMC. Then how come Tamil Nadu get 404 TMC? It's not practical. And still Karnataka also can't demand the same 284 TMCs. Everyone must compromise, right? So that is the problem. So what is the solution towards it? We can't control the nature. When we get only 500 TMC of water, we humans can't do anything about it. So everyone who depends on the water, like I mentioned the 12 districts, right? All the 12 district people need to compromise. So what the government should have done is, instead of giving the TMC number, Tamil Nadu needs 404, Karnataka needs 284, instead of giving the TMC number, they need to give the percentage. So when we take 750 TMC as the 100%, and when we convert the 404 TMC of Tamil Nadu into percentage, it comes around 54%. And when we take the Karnataka government's 284 TMC into percentage, it comes to 38.5%. So instead of the government stating the TMC number for each state, the Supreme Court should state the percentage of water that should be allocated for each state people. So when we get lesser rainfall, let's say in a year we got only 500 TMC of water. So definitely there is a water shortage, and the water split up must be according to the percentage. So Tamil Nadu should not demand 404, Karnataka should not demand 284. They should split the water according to the percentage of the percentage that the Supreme Court has decided. And that is the only scientific solution that we can come up. And it should be controlled and monitored by a centralized body with a lot of engineers and scientists. The government should allocate it in the percentage manner. That is the one and only solution, and there is no other solution to this problem at all. But this solution is addressing the one part of the problem, which is allocating the water. But there is another part to the problem, which is emotional problem. Because the people of Karnataka feels they own the river, and the people of Tamil Nadu feels the river is flowing through Tamil Nadu the longest, because in Tamil Nadu it flows for more than 400 kilometers. So they feel they have more ownership over the river, and this emotional conflict creates another problem. The river is flowing in that path for millions of years. Even before the humanity evolved, the river was there. Okay, no one can claim ownership over it. No state owns the river, but then who has the rights over the river? All the 12 districts in which the river flows, those 12 district people equally have the ownership of that river. I will put it in another perspective also for you. So I mentioned 12 districts, right? The Coorg is the first district in that, because the river originates in Coorg mountains. So Coorg district is the first district which the river flows in. Then it flows to Mysore district. Then it flows to two other districts in Karnataka. Then it reaches into Tamil Nadu and it flows and it reaches the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so this is the flow. Now let's do a hypothetical thought experiment. In a year, there is only 100 TMC of water, very less TMC of water in the Kaveri river. And the people of Coorg saying that this river is only sufficient for Coorg and we are not going to release the water for the remaining 11 districts. Will that be fair? No, right? Humans settled near the river for thousands of years depending on that river. They bet their life on that river and they built villages and cities around that river because they felt they can believe in that river, they can rely on that river. And now we can't say to any one of those people that you can't demand water, because they were using that water for thousands of years. No one has the ownership, but the people who relied on that river for thousands of years has a rights to ask for the water. Okay, so no ownership, but there's a rights. So all the 12 district people have the rights, and based on the consumption percentage that the government decides, everyone should be satisfied. And when there is less water, everyone should take the hit and everyone should be compromised. There is nothing emotional about it. River is a natural phenomenon. Rain is a natural phenomenon. No one can take ownership of it. If we rely on it for a very longer time, then we have a rights on it, and we have a rights to ask for the water. Everyone, all those 12 district people. So this is our take on the Kaveri issue, and definitely you may have a lot of conflicts with me and my opinions. So you may go in the comment section and rage bait me and oppose me. But I just wanted to ask you one thing before you guys gonna do that. Do you have a better idea? Do you have a better solution to this? If you do, please let me know. And thank you for watching this video.